I'm Jay King. Welcome back to the JLux Installations channel. Today we're live at the tech event at Atlas Audio Video in Victoria, BC. And first we're going to have a little look at our fully finished Dolby Atmos theater. This room features some of the best tech from both Paradigm Electronics, they make beautiful speakers, and Anthem Electronics. That's the receiver, the 11-channel receiver that's running this entire room. We did some special things in this room, starting with acoustic treatment done by Vicoustics. That's what you see on the wall beside me here, as well as a couple more panels in the back, and this beautiful faux concrete. Most people walk into this room and they don't even realize that there's acoustic treatment in here covering this entire wall. So really cool, subtle treatment that makes the room sound a whole lot better. At the front of the room, we have the top of the range Paradigm Founder series. These are the Founder 120H towers. What's really special about these in a home theater is you actually get 3 8-inch powered woofers in each one of these towers, powered by 1000 watt internal amplifiers. So we have 2 great subs running at the front of the room. We also have a 1200 watt XR11 sub, also by Paradigm, at the back of the room to really fill in the space. It's a great place to come in and watch a movie. We even have some nice recliners built by Salamander Designs. Powered recliners also. Hit your little button here and you can kick back and relax. Nice quiet operation as well. This was one of my passion projects for year 2023. I actually completed this whole room myself. I ran the wires through our drop ceiling so that we could get full 4 Atmos channels in the ceiling. Again, Paradigm Professional series, along with Paradigm surround speakers at the sides and the back of the room. So this really works out to be a full 11.3 Atmos theater. And of course, you have to save the best for last. So this is one of Sony's new OLED televisions. This is called the A80L. This is an 83-inch in this room. This is actually a really special set. This is almost a Master Series OLED for a far lower price. Features Sony's special cooling system and beautiful OLED panel. Again, the best image processor in the business. So just a beautiful piece to put into your theater room.